In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pandadoc template. Pandadoc is a fantastic tool that helps streamline document creation and management. Whether you're crafting sales proposals, contracts, or any kind of business document, templates can save you a lot of time. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First, open your browser and navigate to the Pandadoc homepage. If you already have an account, log in and you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options on the menu, but for our purpose today, click on Templates. This will take you to a section specifically designed for managing and creating templates. Once you're in the Templates section, you'll notice a button labeled Create Template. Click on this and you'll be presented with different options on how you wish to proceed. You can choose to either start from scratch or use a pre-existing template to speed up the process. For beginners, using an existing template can be helpful as it provides a structure that you can modify to suit your needs. Now, let's take a look at the template gallery. Here you can see a variety of templates categorized under different headings such as Featured and Community Gallery. This area is great if you are looking for inspiration or trying to find a template that's close to what you need. Once you find a suitable template, click on Get Started Now. This allows you to open the template and start customizing it right away. As you open the template, you can click on Preview to see how your document will look before making any edits. This is a good time to double check if the template aligns with your vision. Once satisfied, click on Select this template to begin customizing. To start editing, navigate to the Content section. Here you can click on text fields to modify specific parts of the text, adding your own content as needed. You can also add a signature field, which is particularly useful for documents that require authorization or verification. If you're happy with your edits and the template looks good to go, click on Create Document. This converts the template into a working document, ready for distribution. Before sending it out, do remember to click on Document Name so you can appropriately label your document. Next, you'll want to click on Add Recipient to specify who should receive the document. Once that's set, click Continue. Now you're ready to send your document. Navigate to the Manage section and click on Send. Pandadoc gives you a few options here, such as sending via email or generating a link. Select the one that best fits your recipient's preferences. Take a moment to preview everything and ensure all details are correct. Click on Send when you're ready and your document will be on its way. You can also send reminders by email or text to ensure the recipient takes action. With these steps, you've not only created a Pandadoc template, but also learned how to efficiently manage and send it. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to streamline your document creation process. Thank you for watching.